Your next car could be the 2019 GMC Sierra HD. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this seriously strong GMC Sierra HD, the heavy-duty workhorse pickup designed to handle the biggest towing and hauling jobs. Gas and diesel powertrains and a host of options are available to let you make this practical, versatile truck everything you want it to be. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, 8-cylinder engine, chrome wheels, power passenger seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Super strength meets serene comfort in this hard-working Sierra HD. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.